Hi guys, I'm back with another topic today. It's on chapter 8, which is pointers. I used the ninth edition of Dato C++ How to Program. I would suggest users who are willing to learn C++ faster and easier to choose this material as a guide. This has selected and important basics which will help you learn faster and even better. So let's get started with pointers. So what are pointers? Pointers are variables that contain as their values memory addresses of other variables. So the declaration way, so there is a particular declaration if you want to point. So you can see it on on the screen. So declaration, you put int the star, which is the multiply symbol, and ptr. So that is how you declare. So the star in the middle, it indicates that the variable as a pointer. So that is how you declare it. Pointer operators. So the star, that is the pointer operator. So you call that an operator. So the indirection operator returns as a synonym for the name of the object that its operand points to in memory. Yeah, that is in memory. So this is called dereferencing the pointer. Yeah, so next, so pass by reference with pointers. When calling a function with an argument, the caller wants the called function to modify the address of the argument passed. The called function then uses the indirection operator, which we cited before, to dereference the pointer and modify the value of the argument in the calling function. Built-in arrays. So built-in arrays like array objects are fixed size data structures. To specify the type of elements and the number of elements required by built-in arrays, use the declaration of the form, which is, you can see down there, which is the array type. If you can see my mouse, I'm pointing to it. So type array name, you need to type the array name and the brackets, the size of an array. And here the subscript operator, which is the symbol in the brackets, which you can see here, I'm pointing it to there, like my mouse over there, helps to access the individual elements of a built-in array. So that is built-in array. Using const with pointers, const is nothing but the constant. So the const qualifier enables you to inform the compiler that the value of a particular variable cannot be modified through the specified identifier. So it enables, so technically it's saying that it enables to inform the compiler the value of a particular variable, which you put in, Size of an operator. So you call that size of operator. When applied to built-in array name, the size of return the total number of bytes in the built-in array. So which you put the number of arrays in that. So when applied to a built-in array parameter, size of returns in the size of a pointer. So yeah, that's the size of a pointer. So pointers, expressions, and pointer arithmetic. C++ enables pointers, sorry. So, yeah, sorry for the disturbance. The C++ enables pointer arithmetic operations that may be performed on pointers. When an integer is added or subtracted from a pointer, the pointer is incremented or decremented. And pointer can be compared using the equality and rational operators, which we mentioned in the before chapters and all, So that is pointers expressions and pointer arithmetic. Pointer-based strings. So a string is a series of characters which you already know, which are treated as a single unit. A string may include letters, digits, and various characters, such as, the symbols down there like plus, minus, multiply symbol, the $sign, and then hash, A pointer-based string is a built-in array of characters ending with the null characters. The symbol in the brackets, which we denote the null character, where the string terminates in memory. So that's in memory, that's a mistake over there. So a string is accessed via a pointer to its first character. Yeah, so guys, that is it for pointers. So for pointers, make sure you take each and every notes which I just showed you. I used the material which I showed you in the beginning. It's the 9th edition of Deitel. I skimmed the topic of pointers to make it easier for you. Pointers is one of the most confusing and weird things in C++, which you will learn. So make sure you take the notes. I skimmed it a lot. I just made sure I took the most important points and the useful points. So whenever you look into the program, when you do it, you'll get an idea of what everything is. So that is it for pointers. Yeah, thank you.